Question 13, part 1. For what values of p does the pair of equations 4x plus py plus 8 equal to 0 and 2x plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0 has unique solution? So the first equation is 4x plus py plus 8 equal to 0, and the second equation is 2x plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. Now let's see the coefficients. A1 coefficient of x is 4, B1 coefficient of y here is p, and C1 coefficient here is 8. This is basically A2 here is coefficient of x and B2 here is coefficient of y. C2 is equal to 0, 2. All are 2. Now for a unique solution, we know that A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So A1 is 4 by 2 is not equal to B1, which is P by 2, or P is not equal to 4. Therefore, for all real values of P except 4, the equations will have a unique solution. Basically, just to go behind the concept, we know that this line can be written as py is equal to minus 4x minus 8, or y is equal to minus 4 by px minus 8 by p, and this line can be written as 2y is equal to minus 2x minus 2, or y is equal to minus 2 by 2x minus 2 by 2, which becomes minus 1x minus 1. So these two have come in this form, y is equal to mx plus c, where this is the slope m here and this is m here. Now if any line has to have a unique solution, the slopes of the line will not be the same. So we can even write this as minus 4 by p not equal to minus 1, and then we again get p not equal to 4. So these are the two methods. This is the formula for this, which basically comes to this. Otherwise we can write it in this form and then come to the conclusion. Let's go to the other question. What type of straight lines will be represented by the system of equations 2x plus 3y equal to 5 and 4x plus 6y equal to 7? So here let's try the different method. 2x plus 3y equal to 5 and 4x plus 6y equal to 7. So let's bring it in this form. So y is equal to minus 2 by 3x plus 5 by 3, and here y is equal to minus 4 by 6y, x plus 7 by 6. Let's just erase this part. Say x plus 7 by 6. Okay. So again, now we are saying that what type of straight lines will be represented. So will it be parallel? What kind of lines will be there? So A1 here is equal to 2 and B1 equal to 3 and A2 equal to 4 and B2 equal to 6, and C1 is 5 and C2 is equal to 7 here. Let's see what is A1 by A2. It's equal to 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is equal to 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2, and C1 by C2 is equal to 5 by 7. So here we are seeing that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but these are not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, we can say that the lines are parallel. So for parallel lines, basically this condition as we saw above, which I had solved in this type of equation, we see that for parallel lines, the slope m should be equal. The y-intercept cannot be can be different, but the slope has to be equal. So here again, if we see this minus 2 by 3, so in this line m is equal to minus 2 by 3 m1, and m2 here is equal to minus 4 by 6 or minus 2 by 3. So the slopes of these two lines are same. Therefore, we can say that the lines are parallel. Hey guys, if you like the video, do like and share it and subscribe to my channel.